Hey friends, welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. Today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me, and I know you are going to be able to get some serious cleaning motivation. I'm going to start off this evening's cleaning just showing you guys some of the mess from today. This is Saturday when I'm filming, and the kitchen is an absolute disaster. It definitely needs a deep cleaning. It's so bad, you guys. So I'm going to start off by doing these dishes and filling up the dishwasher. I'm also going to be doing my refrigerator. So this is going to be a very in-depth, detailed, deep kitchen cleaning. The goal for this video is to keep it very relaxing, so I'm going to try not to talk too much and just let you get into either watching me cleaning and listening to this music or cleaning with me. But I'm going to try to limit my talking just a little bit in this particular video just so you guys can get super relaxed. I'm now going to start cleaning out the refrigerator and pulling everything out that I don't need, and we had a ton of just old food in there, and I'm kind of embarrassed on how bad this looks, but you know, sometimes I just do things spur of the moment, and tonight was the night to just clean this baby out. I'm just going to use some warm water and regular Dawn dish soap and just clean out this bottom shelf here. There was a lot of old vegetable yucky juice in it, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to use my regular mint method spray, all-purpose spray, and clean these shelves here before I start putting the food back in.
One step behind, going down this road again. I don't want to explain myself. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end.
I'm just going to wash the vegetables that I have left, which are these carrots. I need to go to the grocery store, but I'm going to wash them in this little sink colander, and this is going to prepare them to just be eaten right away and not have to pull out of the bag. I rinse them off, put an extra paper towel in there, and that is just easy to grab.
You really don't mind if you are wrong, you just need someone around. I'm holding you tight to my grip, a rebound that I found. I really don't care if you are mine, I'm just keeping you
Here is where some of the old lettuce dripped all over the countertop. I'm going to take out the trash and then I'm going to start cleaning the counters with just my all-purpose spray. I'm just using some of my Walmart microfiber cloths. This is what I like to use for the countertops if I'm not using my e-cloths. I believe it was 4 for 97 cents.
Keeping you in the light. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road. The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be. That's the last I'll ever be.
I am using this spatula, I don't even know what it is, to clean out any of the food that is trapped between the countertops and the oven. Next, I'm going to start putting away some of the games that we did tonight. We've been having a lot of fun playing with games with the kids, and I'm going to start putting those away and then cleaning this table off.
I know I'm not the only.
I've had some of you guys ask me where I got this table. My husband actually built this for me when we moved into this house, and then we got this piece of glass made for the top of it. But it gets really gross under there every once in a while, so I've got to lift it up like I'm doing now and try to get some of that grime out from under it.
The rim where everything is mending.
I'm going to now clean my stainless steel, and I'm using just the regular method stainless steel cleaner. I haven't found one that I love. This one works okay, and I'm using my microfiber cloth.
If tomorrow would come, I wanna stay here in that shimmering.
I'm going to tidy up the living room now that the kids are in bed, and I can actually do this once and for all this evening.
Would come, don't wanna go there. This moment is a rhythm of solace.
I just want to remind you guys, I recently did a summer home tour, which I also showed you some updated decor. So I'm going to link that right above. Go check that out after you're done with this video. I think you're really going to be inspired and enjoy it.
Believing is enough. Reality's deceiving. Afraid of waking up. If tomorrow would come, don't wanna go there. If tomorrow would come, I wanna stay here in that shimmering light of your eyes. If tomorrow would come, don't wanna go there.
Do you guys remember the little hack I taught you? If you have tile floors, you can actually just hot glue your rugs down like I did, and it is so easy to vacuum because it stays in place. I'm going to use my little attachment here and get any of the crumbs that might have fallen under the cabinets and kind of in the crevices. I'm also going to go along the banquette seating and the baseboards.
In that shimmering light of your eyes. If
I'm going to get the water ready to start mopping the entire house out. I'm just using regular old lemon Lysol with my O-Cedar mop.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
I just want to remind you guys, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I would love for you to consider being a part of my YouTube family. Also know that I post cleaning motivation every single week, as well as all types of motivation for everyday life, mental health awareness, cooking, and everything in between.
You closed this open wide, and I bet
So here is an awesome hack I got from one of my sweet friends, Katie Satilli. I'll have her information in my description box. Go check her out. But just get some regular dish detergent and some vinegar and use one of these dollar store little handles here, and they work amazing. And you're going to be so surprised of how convenient it is to clean your shower. And that is what I'm going to do now.
and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you are to me, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
The shower is all done, and I'm going to just rinse it out by using the shower head.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run.
Excuse my very tired face. It is about 12 o'clock at this point, and honestly, this is real life. I do not always clean with a full face of makeup. I mean, that is just not even real life. I mean, some days, sure, but not tonight.
There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
I can say I am really loving this little thing from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what you call it, but good idea, Katie. You guys go to her channel and let her know this little hack and let her know that I sent you, but she is so smart. I can honestly say it made cleaning the shower, the sink, the countertops, and now the tub so much easier.
There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live to change up.
Just cleaning the tub, I'm first going to put some cleaner in there and let it sit for a moment. I have been using these Everspring wipes from Target, and they have been making my life so much easier. Instead of using paper towels or a rag that I'm going to wash, just having these wipes handy in the bathroom, in every bathroom, just makes life so much easier. That is a little hack. Always have your own set of cleaning supplies in each bathroom. That way you can just get at it when you're ready and you don't have to carry things from one room to the next. Everything is done. I'm washing my hands and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the floor to start mopping it. This is not a really large bathroom, so I'm able to get through this very quickly. And then I'm going to show you all of the nasty water that I'm going to pour out. It is so gross, you guys.
Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my mind, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk, and if
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a ton. I would love for you to consider joining my YouTube family. I hope you found this video motivational, inspiring, and relaxing. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. I would love to get to know you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I love each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one.
can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night